Welcome! Are you feeling stuck in your thinking? Do you need a fresh perspective on a problem? In this storytelling tutorial, I'll show you a fun and creative way to approach problem solving using postcards. So let's get started. First, choose 2 postcards at random from a selection. The first postcard now shows a problem and the other shows a solution to that problem. Take a moment to think about the problem and solution on your cards. Here's an example. This tower presents a major problem. It's completely inaccessible due to the lack of an entrance door, rendering it completely useless. Even the windows are too high off the ground to climb in or out. It's as if this tower is a fortress, impenetrable and unwelcoming. Picture yourself soaring into the air, lifted by an umbrella that gives you a bird's eye view of the tower and changes the perspective. As you circle the tower, something catches your eye. A door that had previously gone unnoticed. Now flip the cards over. The previous solution card is now the problem card, and the previous problem card is now the solution card. Explain the new problem and solution using the flipped cards. Here's my example. This structure is not built to last. A strong gust of wind could knock it down like a house of cards. It's a disaster waiting to happen. All it needs is a strong foundation, one that can bear the weight of a sturdier design and allow it to fulfill its intended purpose. Let me show you another example of finding ideas for solution by using picture postcards. This little piggy has big dreams. It wants to explore the world, but the piggy's dreams were dashed when it discovered that pigs can't fly. It is feeling hopeless and alone with no way closer to its dreams. While flying may not be an option, let's not forget that pigs are excellent swimmers. So why not explore the world by other means? Again, let's flip the cards. Everywhere you look, there's water where it shouldn't be, and people are stuck with no way to get from point A to point B, feeling hopeless. Here comes Piggy the adventurer. It sees an opportunity. Water is a natural means of transport that fills rugged terrain, flows around obstacles and adjusts to its environment. It's like a superhero that never quits. This exercise is a great way to open up your mind, get out of a stuck way of thinking, and make space for letting alternative and helpful thinking in. By flipping the script, you can approach problems from new angles and come up with creative solutions. So next time you're feeling stuck, give this exercise a try and see where your imagination takes you. See you in my next storytelling tutorial.